Have you ever gotten an A on a test and then realized later that you forgot everything that you memorized? Why is that? It's because our tests are hackable. In the essay, The Lesson to Unlearn, Paul Graham says that the most damaging thing that students learned at school is not any particular concept in a class, but rather it was learning to get good grades. What can we do about this problem? The solution is simple, really. It's to make better tests that actually look at if you deeply understand a concept. One answer is to use oral exams instead. Oxford and Cambridge famously use oral exams for admissions into their programs. But oral exams are expensive and time-consuming to administer. What if we could automate it using large language models, where a large language model asks questions to the student, and the student has to show sufficient knowledge to pass the exam? This is what I'm trying to create. In my last video, I showed a demo of a Socratic dialogue with GPT-3. Now, I'm taking it further and having the model evaluate the conversation as a whole and pass-fail the student based on their understanding. At the moment, I'm trying to run a real pilot with classes going on in the fall, with the bot being trained on specific units in the class. Now, this is where I have an ask for you guys. Do you know any teacher or professor that wants to work with me on this for a class that they have? If you do, can you please forward them this video and tell them to fill out this brief form that I have in the description of the video? But yeah, otherwise, let me give you guys an update on what else I've been up to in the last few months. One thing is that I worked with Primer to teach math as play. I'll be writing a detailed post about what I learned there, trying to solve a really hard problem. Another thing is that I'm living in SF this summer and having a great time with friends pushing each other to solve really hard problems. But yeah, that's it for me. Hope you enjoyed this update and see you guys later.